फ़ख्र की बात है कि एक बहुत बड़ा नेटवर्किंग इवेंट हम इसको हैंडल कर रहे हैं। हमारी पीआर एजेंसी है NTT1, जो इस इवेंट में सारा प्रेस इंटरैक्शन, प्रेस रिलीजेस, उसके अलावा प्रेस एम्प्लीफिकेशन, मीडिया कोऑर्डिनेशन हमने किया है। और ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है क्योंकि इसमें सारे टॉप नॉच ब्रांड्स यहाँ आए हैं। इन ब्रांड्स के साथ साथ इनकी जो नेटवर्किंग हुई है, जिसको स्पीड नेटवर्किंग कहते हैं, जिसमें एक एक ब्रांड को 3 मिनट दिए जाते हैं और अपने ब्रांड को बताते हैं, उसके कारण जितना बिजनेस क्रिएट हो जाता है ये अपने आप में अभूतपूर्व है। मुझे लगता है कि इस तरीके की ये एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त इवेंट है। स्पीड नेटवर्किंग 2025 एक ऐसा इवेंट है जिसमें हर ब्रांड को दूसरे ब्रांड से मिलने के लिए 3 मिनट दिए जाते हैं, जिसमें हम अपने ब्रांड के बारे में उसका USPs बताते हैं, उसको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं और नेटवर्किंग बढ़ाते हैं। इसमें मैंने देखे हैं कि कई सारे टॉप नॉच ब्रांड्स यहाँ आए हैं और ये जो बॉम्बे इंडस्ट्रीज़ एसोसिएशन का इवेंट है ये अभूतपूर्व है, बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त है। और हमें बड़ा फ़ख्र है कि इस इवेंट के ज़रिए हमें मीडिया इंटरेक्शन करने का मौका मिला। मैं सारे ही अथॉरिटीज़ का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं और बॉम्बे इंडस्ट्रीज़ एसोसिएशन का भी शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं कि जिन्होंने इतना बड़ा इवेंट यहां पर क्रिएट किया और इतने सारे बिजनेसमैन को एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरैक्ट करने का मौका मिला। थैंक यू।
So expectation ऐसा मेरे को एंजाइटी क्या होगा स्पीड नेटवर्क है, जो ब्रीफ था मुझे meet lot of people, at least 50-60 people from various business background, and I never thought it would be so nicely conducted and so well coordinated. 70 different business entrepreneurs, and they are showcasing and making their product and you also get a chance to meet so many people and shut up for a short time. So it was a very nice experience for you. With every 3 minutes you could meet and exchange your business with somebody, and I personally got a lot of leads from this meeting. So I'm sure the business owner, you would have attended a lot of sessions like art and different moments. Have you ever come across such a number of people? This was completely different. In fact, my expectation was something which was me from the way it was conducted. Each coordination for enough time to exchange your work. It was so nicely organized. It makes a lot of business sense to all the entrepreneurs. So, India should have, and every city, every state should have exchange programs and collective efforts. Because collective effort is business में नहीं होगा, तो country कैसे होगा? पता ही नहीं कि कैसे क्या करना है। And only and sectors are also discovered. Like when I came, I did not realize that okay, I have to go there. What but suddenly you think ये भी हो सकता है, वो भी हो सकता है. Society, building my friends, my uncle just mentioned and I happened to reach to your stall and actually book the car in 2 minutes. So three good things that you found. Any other thing which you feel that good thing that you will do better and I think the venue has to be more bigger, more invitees, more networking, and it should be more often. It could be at least within a 2 months or something. I don't know, you do it in a 6 month yearly program, but different invitation areas. So once if you have finished a 60 or 70 lot of business entrepreneurs, there could be another 100 to be discovered. So it can be focused towards those rights. I think that would be wonderful.
But two or three key things that you found very interesting.
The key thing was this only, like as I told you, format. Second thing was instant decision, the response. Because people are also coming focused. So the response भी अच्छा है. Like when I spoke to my uncle, he said, "This is the stall, the car." The gentleman said, "Sir, stay morning, call थोड़ा जाएगा. ये आपका काम हो जाएगा." I met a peer guy, I met CCTV guys, I met so many other areas.
So, would you do some business?
Yeah. So, see, mine is an education sector, That is why I did not expect I will get a student out of here. So student कहाँ से मिलेंगे या क्या होगा, but let me try it out. So I met some gentleman who was into display of lot of societies, lot of schools, and what he said here, sir, मेरे तो already 50 schools में already work चल रहा है. Let me connect you to these schools immediately, where you can meet the principals and you can promote your design courses to these schools where they are not giving such courses or programs. So one event, one table can connect me to at least 50 schools, which is very fast. All the best to you.
Speed Networking is the flagship event of Bombay Industries Association. This event was initially started 17 years ago as a service to our members, where they get opportunity to meet every person during the event. And today, with the support and feedback of our participants throughout all these years, we have come to this level where we have a full day event where every member gets to meet every person in the auditorium. And that is a one-to-one meeting, dedicated meeting, where they can expand, they can collaborate, they can have a vendor meeting, they can have a customer meeting, and that is a direct opportunity for our members and participants. Yeah.
Speed networking. I'm sure you must have heard of speed dating, लेकिन speed networking शायद नहीं सुना होगा. तो ये BIA का, बॉम्बे इंडस्ट्री एसोसिएशन का वन ऑफ द फ्लैगशिप इवेंट्स है. इस इवेंट में बिजनेस ओनर्स दूसरे बिजनेस ओनर को मिलते हैं, और अनलाइक दूसरे नेटवर्किंग की तरह ये नहीं है, ये एवरी बिजनेस ओनर मीट्स कंपलसरी अदर बिजनेस ओनर. तो डेडिकेटेडली दो बिजनेस ओनर के बीच में मीटिंग होती है, डिस्कशन होता है, एक्सक्लूसिव 1-to-1 मीटिंग होती है. तो ऐसे सारे बिजनेस ओनर एक दूसरे को मिलते हैं. दैट इज स्पीड नेटवर्किंग. 17 साल से ये इवेंट चला आ रहा है और हर साल ये इवेंट बड़ा होते जा रहा है. इस साल केवल बिजनेस ओनर्स नहीं, कई बड़े PSUs यानी पब्लिक सेक्टर यूनिट्स, कॉर्पोरेट्स के जो परचेज या जो लोग होते हैं, प्रोक्योरमेंट के लोग होते हैं, वो भी यहाँ आए हुए हैं. वो भी स्मॉल एंड बिजनेस को मिलना चाहते हैं. सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, कई काउंसिल जनरल्स आए हुए हैं, दूसरे एसोसिएशन के ऑफिस बेरर्स आए हुए हैं. सो कहने का मतलब है कि ये जो इवेंट है ये हर साल बड़े होते जा रहा है. और आज की तारीख में जो इवेंट एक 17 साल पहले एक छोटा सा 2 घंटे का इवेंट था, वहाँ से लेकर आज ये पूरे दिन का इवेंट बन गया है. करीब 200-250 लोग इस इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. और मज़े की बात यह है कि हर कोई एक दूसरे को कंपलसरी मिलता है, कार्ड्स एक्सचेंज होते हैं, बिजनेस एक्सचेंज करते हैं, और ऐसे ही धंधा होता है. सो दिस इज द स्पीड नेटवर्किंग ऑफ बॉम्बे इंडस्ट्रीज एसोसिएशन, द फ्लैगशिप इवेंट ऑफ BIA. ठीक है.
And I'm the owner of DJRS Hospitality LLP over here. I'm also a participant, but at my time when we were running, as you've been told, it's a 17-year-old event. When I was a president, we also had the same event. We had the same number of people meeting each and every one. Since then, we've grown so much that this event has to continue every year so that the new members get introduced to our already existing membership base. And we learn how what businesses others are doing. This also gives an opportunity to our new members to learn what others are doing and have a lot of intra-business happening amongst the membership. So this kind of events helps a lot in our businesses individually and for BIA. So congratulations to Hitesh Shah for organizing another successful event for BIA. This is a great event. We still have more to go, and we'll reach that position to have it another year and another year. Thank you.
Panel, again a BIA member, and Professor is a coach, business coach. He has coached a lot of small and medium business enterprises. So, and today you are a premium stall holder of a stall partner of BIA here. In short, how have been your experience so far?
It's a fantastic experience. I am the consistent premium table holder from last 6 years in this organization. Bombay Indices Association creating the huge impact on the business community. I would like to address on this occasion to all the people, those who are listening to this, is that business networking is the future of the business community. If you are not doing the business networking, you cannot create your impact on that. Number of business owners from the trading, from the product, from the service industry is coming here. They are sharing their knowledge, they are sharing their wisdom, they are sharing their services and the products. And the people, those who are coming here, they are also coming in contact with this one. To have such an impactful platform, this is the legacy carried by the present president, Mr. Hitesh Shah, from last 77 years. So, friends, I would like to highly recommend that those who have not attended this event, they will be missing a lot. What a fantastic energy, what a fantastic contribution for everyone. The way everybody was contributing, it was awesome. I was the person who was sharing every visitors, and the first question to my visitors, sir, before I tell you about my businesses, though I am an international business coach, having the impact around the globe, I got a client around the world also, and that is because of the business Bombay Indices Association and this activity. Today, what I was a business owner, I was a business owner also, and I was a business coach also, but international I became because of the Bombay Indices Association. Fantastic legacy, fantastic output, and fantastic creativity of this one. So, thank you very much, Bombay Indices Association, to be the part of my life, and I can share you that as long as I will be in the international business coaching, I will be here, my presence will be here, and I will be giving to the business community.
One quick last question. Short पे जवाब देना. Could you do business here? अभी कुछ?
Yes, sir. Let me tell you, around more than 30 people have shown the interest in my services, and out of that, 5th business owners has taken the appointment from me. I am meeting next week to them and converting my business. So such a fastest, modest, easiest and magical conversion of the investment. Thank you very much, Bombay Industries Association.
अर्पित उनका बिजनेस है श्रीजी ज्वेल्स, और इन लोग का ज्वेलरी का बिजनेस है इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे, राइट?
Correct.
So अर्पित भाई, you were a table partner here. Yes. How was the experience with speed networking that you have today?
Yes, so I think it's a very different experience because ये speed networking मेरे लिए भी first experience था, and there were around I think at least 25 to 30 different industries से लोग आए, उन्होंने हमारे products देखे. We have a live inquiry of approx 40 lakh rupees or plus. I think उससे ज़्यादा ही होगा. I'll have to check with my team. But it's a wonderful event. There was a consulate from United States of America जिन्होंने visit किया हमारा stall, and it was a really different experience. I think BIA has gone to next level with this event. And अगर आगे कुछ भी ऐसा event हुआ तो I'll be the first one to follow up and take up this opportunity. Thank you so much.
40 lakh rupees of business, super bike, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It's a success story. So, Arpit bhai, 2 things which you liked and 2 things which you like to improve.
So 2 things which I liked was बहुत organized way में था. There was a time slot given to everyone. तो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं था. 3 मिनट में आपको प्रोडक्ट्स देखने थे, उसको समझना था, सामने वाले को समझना था. So always when there is a time slot, तो बहुत कम टाइम में आप ज़्यादा लोगों को मिल पाते हो. दैट दिस वाज द बेस्ट थिंग. सेकेंडली देर वर पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज, सो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. वॉट आई वुड लाइक टू इम्प्रूव, ओके, आई थिंक देर कैन बी द टाइम स्लॉट हम उसको शायद 4 या 5 मिनट कर सके तो, बिकॉज when the person wants to introduce themselves, it takes a little time, and I believe otherwise, yeah, I mean that's only one suggestion which I would like to give.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yukti Agarwal from Go Nuts. Is that Go Nuts, right?
Yes, correct.
Lovely. What a good name. So, Yukti, would you go nuts today with the speed networking format?
Yes, I actually did go nuts today because I got really overwhelmed by the number of people that I spoke to today. I think I have spoken 3 hours on record, and at the end of it I thought I was going to lose my voice, but it was great. I think we made so many connections, we had so many opportunities to meet so many different people from different industries. I think it was a great opportunity, and we really thank BIA for giving us this. Thank you so much.
So, Yukti, could you do some business today? Did
So,
you find some potential customers?
we obviously it is too soon to say whether those deals will close, but we did find some leads, and only once we follow up with those leads will we know whether they were actually going to convert or not. But we did find some great leads. That is true.
Great. So, we'll see you next year also.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, if this is the kind of energy that is going to be in the room, I don't think I would miss it for anything.
Lovely. So, Yukti, just last, one thing you want to highlight, something which you found very interesting, and one thing which you would like to us to improve upon.
One thing that I would like to highlight is, I think, obviously the kind of attendees that come in, and the kind of
The quality of attendees.
the quality of attendees that come in, and the kind of timing that is maintained, that really gives the flow of event all the meaning, because otherwise it just defeats the purpose. I mean, if we are not able to accomplish the numbers that we are looking at, I think that is the highlight. And in terms of improving, I think I'm not an expert here to help you improve, but I think it's been organized in a fantastic way. I don't think that there's anything that I can suggest to you guys.
Lovely. And they manufacture one of the finest chocolates in Mumbai. And Siddharth, you have been, this is your second year?
This is my 4th year.
4th year in
That's my 4th year.
Okay.
Yes.
So I think you would be the right person to tell us how you see the progression of this speed networking over the last 4 years. And what's been your experience today?
So as a company, we've been around since 1999, and we have been exhibiting in multiple forums over the last 15 years. We've done over 50 shows. This show I have been doing since the last 4 years now, and I don't miss it for anything. Purely because the kind of quality of people that I find here is amazing. I find meaningful people who are actually interested in knowing what you are doing, interested in the product itself, and actually have requirements, and they are just not inquiries. So exhibiting at such a forum is a very meaningful opportunity, and I wouldn't miss it for anything. Is curated in such a way wherein my interaction is guaranteed with over 50 people in a decided time frame, wherein in a normal exhibition or anywhere else I cannot decide or guarantee my interactions with such customers. So I feel with a very defined focus and defined customer base, I get the people here on my table. In 2 hours, 2.5 hours, I have had 75 interactions, which is humongous for any kind of event. And these are potential leads which actually, if followed correctly, will convert to business. And since we are in this line since 25 years, our product is at par with the best in the industry, and conversions will happen 100%. Anything?
From Samkris Global, and Sumit, I believe you've been attending this event for last 3 years now?
Yes, in fact, we have been setting up our, we have been heading tables for past 3 years.
Lovely. So can you just share your experience over last 3 years?
There has been gradual increase and improvement overall that we have observed this year. The turnout has been fabulous. The overall people who have been called in have been really wonderful, and the overall organization has been really wonderful. The speed networking has truly been speed networking in itself, and it has been fabulously managed. When 3 minutes is the cut time, you have to be immediately moved out from there. Really love the organization, the entire arrangement by the BIA team.
Would you do business here?
Yeah, I got really wonderful connects over here already. Hopefully, we'll be connecting with them subsequent to the meeting, and we'll have a better opportunity of creating more business opportunity for ourselves.
Anything which you liked most and anything which you would like to see the improvement?
At this point of time, like I said, it was crisply managed, appropriately put in place when exactly maintained 3 minutes of time for doing the speed networking. Absolutely, the team was making sure that people are moving in the right places, right direction. So at this point, nothing specific to give as a feedback, but really happy with the overall organization of the same.
Thank you. From Oria Aviation, भाई साहब जहाज उड़ाते हैं और दुनिया को शेयर कराते हैं आसमानों की। राजेश जी, आपका शायद ये 5वां साल है स्पीड नेटवर्किंग में?
स्पीड नेटवर्किंग।
तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस अभी तक कैसे रहा ओवर 5 इयर्स और आज का?
मैं सभी को बोलना चाहूँगा कि ये जो स्पीड नेटवर्किंग का इवेंट है वो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है, और इसमें इतने कम समय में लाइक 2 घंटे के अंदर कम से कम आप 100 लोगों से मिल लेते हैं, और 100 लोगों से मिलना मतलब वो भी एक जेन्युइन बिजनेसमैन, तो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है फॉर ए बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। स्पीड नेटवर्किंग में मेरा ये 5 ईयर हो गए हैं, और हर बार जब भी आता हूँ कहीं ना कहीं एक नया कनेक्ट मिलता है।
तो 5 सालों में have you done some business?
लॉट ऑफ बिजनेस। अभी हमने जब शुरू किया था तो उस समय हम लोग एग्रीगेटर थे, अब हम ओनर हो गए, तो दैट इज़ ए बिग डिफरेंस।
So you just how do you?
See, when we started, it is like word of mouth publicity. आपका एक क्रेडिबिलिटी जाता है आपके साथ में व्हेन somebody is working with you, जिन्होंने आपकी सर्विस को एक्सपीरियंस किया है। BIA में लोगों ने हमारे एयरक्राफ्ट में फ्लाइंग किया है, उनको वो एक्सपीरियंस मिला है, उन्होंने शेयर किया है। वो जो एक्सपीरियंस जब शेयर करते हैं तो उसके कारण और भी क्लाइंट आते हैं। सो दैट वे यू ग्रो योर बिजनेस इन मल्टीपल, यू कैन से 10x 20x इतना ग्रोथ होता है। सो दैट वे BIA स्पीड नेटवर्किंग में एक छोटे से समय में ज़्यादा लोगों से मिलना, और आपको जो भी कनेक्ट आ रहे हैं वो एक क्रेडिबिलिटी से आते हैं, सो दैट मेक्स लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस।
तो राजेश जी, एक चीज़ जो सबसे इतना स्ट्राइकिंग है ये बेस्ट था, और एक चीज़ जो आप स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट बोल सकते हैं?
देखिए, कहीं भी कोई भी काम करते हैं कि इम्प्रूवमेंट तो हमेशा एक रहता है कि इट कैन बी बेटर देन दिस, बट दिस इज़ आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इवेंट आई हैड एज फार एज द नेटवर्किंग इज़ कंसर्न। हमने BNI वगैरह में भी देखे हैं नेटवर्किंग, बट यहाँ पे जिस तरीके से शॉर्ट पीरियड में सबको सर्कुलेट करके एक मौका मिलता है, 3 मिनट 2 मिनट, एंड देन उसके पहले आपकी सर्विसेज को भी एक्सप्लेन करने का मौका मिलता है, वो बहुत कम प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपको मिलेगा। सो दैट इज़ द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग, एंड आई थिंक इट शुड बी फॉर अ मोर ड्यूरेशन इज़ लेस। 2 आवर्स में सब लोग कवर नहीं कर पाते, जितने गेस्ट आते हैं समटाइम they feel that time is less. So I think if it is for a little bit more time, that will be better. This time we have done it for full day, then also we are feeling that is a less of time.
Where am I supposed to? Okay. Salad.
We have Miss Rebecca from WAP Engineering Private Limited. Rebecca, you have been a regular participant of speed networking. And
Yes.
how was the experience so far over years and today?
So our company has been tied up with Bombay Industries Association, specifically my father, and we've been doing speed networking event more than 5 years now. Probably this is our 7th. This is the first event that I'm attending, and I must say it's very, very beneficial for every industry. We're from manufacturing, but when you talk about networking and connection, it's not merely only about just knowing people, taking their exchanging your visiting cards. It's more than that, and we meet from A to Z a lot of members from the industry who we can connect in near future.
Over the last 5 years, have you done business or you conducted business?
With BI,
No,
yes.
not with the people meeting at Speed.
People meeting here?
Yeah,
Yes, we have. I think one of our most biggest leads that we got from BI speed networking event was a member that came and he was from Indian Express. We did sell him some of our latest star machines, that is a Rochewell laser machine. And we made over, you can say, 25 lakhs of business.
Lovely. Any one thing which you find the best, different, anything which strikes you, and one scope of improvement if at all you feel is.
Okay, one thing that I find very different with speed networking is I like how they've set up where everybody's supposed to sit there for 3 minutes and then you exchange your business identity and then you move on. I think it's a very good idea. It's not just merely walking through the table and anyone that you find valid according to your business and you just speak to them, you speak to everyone. So that's something very nice about this event. One thing that I found beneficial was I went to this jeweler stall and I said, maybe I'm not relevant to you. My machines are not relevant to you. He said, there's nothing like this over here. I know people that might need your machine. So it's always beneficial. Yeah.
Lovely. Visa. And he's from Consul General of Malaysia. And how was the experience today with speed networking?
Thank you very much. I think first and foremost, I would like to thank BIA for inviting us here. And this is a very interesting event where we can, I can call it a place that we can come and meet a lot of people, a lot of business, companies from India and widen our networking. So this is a great event. Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Go ahead.
Hi, good evening. My name is Ruchi Saraf and I am from Ketro Gourmet Gifts Private Limited. I am very happy to be part of the Bombay Industries Association Speed Networking event. This is my 3rd year here and I am very happy with the kind of interactions I've had. A lot of people have visited my stall and loved my products. I am into manufacturing of gourmet gifts. We manufacture chocolates, baklava, dates and dry fruits. So I'm very happy to be here and talking to you. Thank you so much. My name is Ketro. My company name is Ketro Gourmet. We are into B2B supplies. We give to corporates, ad agencies. We are doing supplies for Magnum ice cream, for their all gifting for press and celebrities. We worked with Google, Star TV, India Bulls, Xiaomi phones. Thank you so much.
Sorry,
Aryaman.
Okay, so we have Aryaman from Tibro Tours Private Limited. And Aryaman, how has been your, I think this is the first year you participated in Speed Networking. How was the experience here today?
So first of all, I would like to thank BIA for this wonderful opportunity. It's been the first time that as Tibro Tours we've participated in this networking event and it has been great. It's a wonderful opportunity for us and also for all the other members here. And so far we've really have had the opportunity to connect with a lot of potential clients or business associates. So it's been great and I would like to thank BIA again for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Small start, humble beginning in the year 2012-13 when we started with I think just about 30, 35, 40 tables, and today I am so happy and proud to see the kind of event that the team has organized today with so many tables and so many members who are coming again and again to this particular event, sometimes as a participant, sometimes as a table holder. All in all, I think there is a small take-up for everybody who has attended today's event. I think the topping of today's event is obviously the representation of so many consulates from the economic heads of so many consulates, and also
please go on. So we have Amit Chaudhary with us. He is also past president of BIA. Amit, you've been with BIA for long and you've seen this networking. Okay. My question to you is, how do you find, what kind of role does this flagship event of BIA, speed networking, plays in the life of a small and medium business owner? How this event is different than other networking platforms that are offered in the market?
Okay, so you just heard, and that is the reason the event has been such a successful, and no matter rain or shine, people come from morning till evening, and under one roof you don't get better opportunities to find 100 business entrepreneurs, and that's the reason why the event is doing so good, and the camaraderie of the BI, EC and office bearer makes it more beautiful. Thank you.
कुठल्या कॅमेराकडे
So we have Aarti Limay, co-founder of ProSure. Aarti, you've been participating earlier. This is the first.
No, this is our first time to participate.
Okay. So how was the experience? How did you find it?
It was wonderful experience and very high energy. Definitely good networking platform, and got to meet a lot of people. It is a very good initiative from the BI, and one-to-ones were very good and got to meet a lot of people. So the concept and execution is good. I love the energy of the team, the BI office bearers, the BI team, as well as Nancy. And it's been a great experience.
One thing which struck you best out of all the things that you experienced, one thing which was the best for you?
The 2-minute introduction of all the team members, and also the 1-minute introduction for the people who are participating. So that was the most catching.
Relocation. And Purnima, I think this is your first time experience with speed networking. So can you share your experience? How did you enjoy? What kind of experience you had with?
Well, it was a great experience, visibility perspective. My first ever networking event here where I had booked a superior table as well. The 3-minute exposure, the instant visibility that our businesses get in front of more than 100 people is not comparable to anything in the world. This is what business entrepreneurs are looking for, and that's what we get here at BIA. So I'm glad that I made the decision to be a part of this event today, and I look forward to the detailed engagements with other company heads who are going to visit here. That is the highlight of BIA.
Lovely. Story with you with this period of time?
So the last time I was here, I was not, taking part as an exhibitor, but today I had taken a table. But the last time when I was here as a mere attendee, I was able to meet with the Godrej people who were the decision makers. Not only that, we entered into a service level agreement with 9 entities of Godrej Industries, and that was icing on the cake, and we are still servicing them, so which is the best part that BIA has given to me.
Thank you so much. Prasanna, past president of BIA, and Prasanna, again, you being past president, this event was also organized under your leadership.
Yeah.
Okay, and over years you have seen this flagship event of BIA, evolving. Can you share your experience how it has evolved over years?
So originally this event started during Mr. Manan Doshi's time, and it was, the idea had come about speed dating. From the concept of speed dating, why can't we have some speed dating of industries, especially MSME industries who have to spend a lot of money for marketing and all. Also BI has a very unique concept of promoting doing business among its members. So we always promote that if you want something, and if the member is having that facility, then we should do business together. And from the year one, it was a thorough success, and it has kept on growing with time to time. Now we have PSUs coming, we have special lounges and so many and other things. I think this is one of the most important event of BI.
I wish everybody has to participate here.
I think I think each and every member of BIA, all the SMEs should participate in this event, either as a table holder or as a visitor, to get exposure of amazing things available
in BIA, and I'm 110% sure that you will only grow your business and make excellent connections here, and those connections will be for life. Thank you.
With us, he is executive committee member of BIA, and more than that, he is one of the key committee members of this speed networking.
Thank you.
Sanjay, how was the experience of building this event today?
Yeah.
Okay, I have seen you working from very early. Okay.
From 8 years we are working in speed networking, and this networking is going very good, and day by day you can say every year new concept is coming and something new is been seen. Like for example, last year during Hitesh Shetty time we introduced launch where PSU and all were invited, and speed networking is done between all these PSU companies and all. And this year more advanced they have done, systematic and very good they are working. They are doing very great job, and all BI team is associated with it and doing very great job. Thank you.
As a committee, as a committee member.
As a committee member, even I want to say that from 6 months we are already doing the work. We are means arranging how we can bring PSU and how we can do the work, like you can say speed networking very smoothly and all. So all committees are involved. You can say there are committee member of 25 to 30 members, and they have done a very great job. Even BI office bearer, they are also doing very great work, and day by day something new is coming up, and great work. Thank you.
The guy who started this, and I remember I was one of the participants in the very first thing. Small number of tables in one of the small hotels, and from here today you have seen this growing. How do you feel? How do you experience? What is your, how you seen this whole thing evolving over the last 17 years?
So over the years, if you go to see, the event has been growing every year. We started like I said, in 2013 when we had around 20 to 25 tables, and from there it went all the way to 60 tables to how we are doing it today, again with the same amount of tables. Along with that, we have special networking with the PSUs, etc., the consulates, everybody over here. So yeah, definitely very good to see BIA growing in such way and the members benefiting also from the same.
Today I got to meet many different people from different industries. It has been very enlightening and has been very empowering meeting different women, different men who has taught me a lot today. I genuinely appreciate this opportunity that Bright and you guys have given me, and it has been very amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Trade at the World Trade Center, and Priya, how was the experience with?
So I definitely feel that when it comes to networking, it shouldn't be always from one sector. When you have multi-sector is when the actual business can happen. And today's speed networking session has really made the precedence by saying that by...
So we have Amit Sharma from Sharma Consulting. And Amit, you have been attendee, I suppose?
Yes.
Participated?
Yes.
How was the experience today?
Right. So thank you so much for giving me an opportunity. It's my first time that I've come to BIA chapter meeting, and it's amazing to see a lot of established entrepreneurs doing businesses, and a lot of energy exchange, a lot of good collaborations I could meet. And I've been part of various associations as a financial planner. I attend many conferences globally throughout, but this conference has a very unique thing that everybody is a very versatile member from different industry, and everybody is very open to understand ideas and collaborate with each other. So I wish I could be part of this association a couple of years back. It could have given me a good edge as well. But never than late, that said, today I've just registered for being an annual member as well, and I'm sure I'll enjoy the journey with Hitesh ji and his entire crew. Thanks once again. My friend had invited me here. Thank you.
You have been attendee here.
Yeah.
As a speed networking. First time you attended?
No, I attended for the second time. First meeting which I attended was at Navi Mumbai 4 Points. So I thought that I need to attend one more time. So it was lovely attending here, and I am definitely enrolling for the membership here. And it's so nice to, as Amit also said, that it's so nice to meet people with such good vibes, such good aura and such entrepreneurial mindset. And hoping definitely to join this wonderful association and to be a part of it for the lifetime. And yes, happy to meet a lot of entrepreneurial mindset people, and happy to connect, and happy to help everybody. Yes.
Thank you.
Wishing.
And Sharmil, how did you find you? I think you attended for the first time. How was the experience at Speed Networking?
Thank you, BNI. I have attended this meeting for the first time. It is a very unique kind of meeting wherein every table owners or every vendors who has displayed their material gets chance to meet. Even as a visitor, you can sit across the table, talk one-to-one, and this entire format was totally differently structured, time-based. Every category had a segment where
Industry Association. It's been fantastic experience. We have doing this from last 15 years, and every time there is a new benchmark. This time we have invited almost more than 50 different corporates, admin, HR and purchase head, and we have a guest from Consulate General. It's a fantastic event where 50 table partners have taken participation, and all are very happy with it. The team has relentlessly worked very hard, and we are seeing the success for the same. I'm really thankful for this opportunity, and thank you to all guys also for coming here, and we'll have a great time ahead. Thank you very much.
So we have Kinjal Shah, right?
Kinjal Gandhi.
Kinjal Gandhi. So we have Kinjal Gandhi from Compress India Private Limited. Kinjal, how has been your experience with Speed Networking?
So I've been participating in this event for the last almost 5 or 6 years, and have loved every time. It's been a fantastic experience, and the quality of the event goes up year on year. This year they did some wonderful things for us. The CRISP workshop was really worth, and was looking forward to it. Great quality discussions during the day, and been having a fantastic time. Thank you so much.
Fire and Security Association of India. Mr. Asher, you have representing your association. You witnessed the Speed Networking event. How do you share your experience?
So, good evening. Experience was quite exciting. 2 minutes, a quick introduction to people, to network, to meet different entrepreneurs from different avenues. You also get connections. You get connected very fast. Probably it might not be from your business, from the same avenue, but then you would get connects very soon. I think Mumbai Industries Association, it's a great event to network, and people from different backgrounds, getting them to a single platform. I mean, that is much more exciting for us. And we represent Fire and Security Association of India. We have about 26 members, and our prime motto is creating Surakshit Bharat. So all the entrepreneurs here, I would urge them, whatever businesses they are in, I'm pretty sure they would be taking care of safety and security, not only for the products that they are manufacturing, but also wherever they are delivering. So cheers to all of them, best wishes, and let's make India booming. Let's keep our targets of what our government has said, that go and grow to 3 billion or 5 billion economy. It can only be if you are safe and secure. All the best. Thank you.
Since 20 years pan-India with a team strength of 40 people. I am a BI executive committee member and really happy to join this today's Speed Networking event. It's an awesome event with a lot of visitors we have having and a lot of guests also, VIP guests. So do come in this event type of events and please join BIA. It's an excellent platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Start. Hariharan School of Success Education, HSS.
So we have Mr. Hariharan. He is a motivational speaker, founder of Hariharan School of
Success Education.
You participated in Speed Networking. How was your experience?
Sure. I can start. Okay, I think it was a wonderful day spent here and networking with a diverse set of people.
different industries, and it's wonderful to meet up with the business owners and also explore collaborations, look for opportunities for direct business to give, to receive, and I think overall a very friendly atmosphere. There is no restriction on you, there is no major expectation. You move around, you meet people, you mingle, and very, very honored to be part of such a prestigious organization. So looking forward to more such events. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much.
Again, thank you for inviting us for this wonderful event. I think to take things out of this was the kind of organization done. Bombay Industries Association has gathered people from all facets of the industry, for all the MSMEs, etc. I think the event where I met people for the first time, I would say, that there are so many people who are existing in this kind of a platform in all facets, I would say, from people from construction, just about anything, even a commodity product is being, where we were able to connect with people, where I was able to share what our association, which is an Indian Plumbing Association, has as a part where we promote a lot of sustainability, water-related products. We found a good interaction with people around here who are interested in what is actually plumbing about. I think I'm quite honored to be here, and I wish them all the best and keep it going. I would say that this is a wonderful platform. I think this should be encouraged. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Shyam Sharma and I am representing a company called Sampris Global Group. Today's event, this is my third year participating, and this time I participated as a premium member. It is a very good experience, and you meet with lots of members from different industries, and this is a very good platform. I joined BIA also last 3 years back, and I hope I will participate in more such events, and it is a great event to participate. Thank you.
And I'm the second gen entrepreneur. So I am associated with Bombay Industry Association since past 1 year, and so far it's an amazing journey for me. The way I have transformed, whether it be in my personal growth or whether it be in my business, each and everything have gave me so much of learnings. To speak about speed networking event, it was an amazing experience for me. We had a lot of business owners. I networked with a lot of business owners. There were a lot of procurements, associates, and many more people who had introduced with me, and I had a great time with them as well. I would highly recommend to each and everyone to join Bombay Industry Association because they have an amazing events all over the year. And it was the best experience and best learning for me with Bombay Industry Association. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kavit Sethi from Meher Enterprises, the universe of watches. So we supply all brands of watches under the sun, and we are a one-stop solution from 150 rupees to 1 crore. And the other business vertical I run is as a personal growth coach. So I help people to solve the blocks that come in the way to achieve their highest potential. So how can you be the best version of yourself? BIA is something I recommend very strongly. It's a great platform to network. It's got some very powerfully connected people, and one can learn a lot, and very good for corporate connections. Thank you.
Regional Director for Power and Security Association of India, Western Region. We have about 26 chapters and 8,000 plus members, and we have a vision of Surakshit Bharat. I first of all thank the organizers and the leadership of Mumbai Industries Association for inviting us and be part of this magnanimous event. The quality of people and the quality of participants, the members, and the way it is organized is really breathtaking, wonderful, very professional. this is the need of the hour. I mean, today when the country which is progressing at a rapid rate, such forums are very important for people to network. The highlight of it was a quick 2-minute, 2-minute speed networking, 2-minute speed networking event which was conducted, where quickly you have a glimpse of so many entrepreneurs, what they are doing, what is the kind of business. So this was really inspiring, and it really made a mark to me. I would urge people to join such association, Bombay Industries Association. And I would also like to collaborate. I would also like to say on behalf of Bar and Security Association of India, if we could collaborate, we would help, in the inculcating the vision of Surakshit Bharat. We would be happy to help. Thank you so much. Jai.
Thank you. Good evening, friend. Myself, Suresh Vasa. My company name is Evergreen Corporation. We are manufacturer and applicator dampness chemical. I am BIA member. This is a very good platform for the networking, and your business is very nice. Thank you very much. Good evening.
Hello guys, thank you very much first of all to all of you to come here to cover us. We are glad as a BIA committee member, it has taken a long hardship to have such kind of an event where we not only have table holders who are manufacturers or service providers, the attendees who are manufacturers, service providers, but as a guest we have PSUs, procurement heads coming in, various association president and vice president coming in, various corporates, administration heads, VPs coming in, and honestly this kind of an event we've never seen prior, no one will see prior, where different category of people coming under same umbrella, making a count of 250, 300 and making a grand success. So I would like to thank all the committee members who have helped us to get here, and thank you to everyone who has participated. Thank you very much.
Wonderful experience in working here, and arrange a buyer-seller meet here as a vendor development program. And Bombay Industrial Association has all around the same PSUs here, CPSUs, Central Public Sector Undertaking. Here is a good opportunity for buyers also how to just procure the material from Central Public Sector Undertaking. And there are the policy. I am representing MSME as a head of the office. My name is Virendra Parapatra, Joint Director. Our nodal office is at Sakinaka, Mumbai. I am representing Ministry of MSME, Government of India. So we are also organizing the same program. And here I am really happy that Bombay Industrial Association organized this vendor development program. I wish all the best there. And in future also they will organize the same program in association with MSME, in association with CPS. Thank you very much.
So we have Mr. Sunil Kundare from MSME, he is a joint director of MSME, Ministry of MSME. Mr. Sunil, you participated in speed networking. How was your experience?
Yes, it's a great event organized by this Bombay Industries Association. It's a speed networking event which will do 5, and in this year this Bombay Industries Association has organized buyer-seller meet. In this program, most of these PSUs who are procuring the goods and services from the MSC, they are all invited and they have shared good experiences and the requirement of these government organizations to the MSME. It's a great program, and most of the MSME will be benefited out of this program. I hope that the department of MSME who are cooperating and extending support the Bombay Industries Association and the MSMEs, definitely they will be benefited out of this program. Thank you.
Participant as a strong partner of BIA. How was the experience about this?
My name is Steve. I am Solutions Private Limited. I attended this speed networking event first time in my life. It was an amazing experience. Got to know challenges of entrepreneurs and got to interact with many business advisors. Many ideas, and there are many collaboration opportunities. Surely we will do in future. event. So thank you BIA for this platform. And I had a stall also here. Thank you BIA for
by NPCL were displayed. So I hope business persons as well as NPCL will benefit from this interaction.
So can you just say you got an opportunity to present to the business owners? Okay.
Yeah.
And that was the opportunity given to you.
Yeah.
And it was first time where as a buyer we are talking to the suppliers. Then the supplier goes to the okay. So can you just talk about that part?
The opportunity to interact with the businessmen and the vendors. This is the I have attended so many vendor meets, but the number of entrepreneurs and the level of enthusiasm, this is the best I can say I have witnessed. So definitely this event will go a long way in partnering these business entrepreneurs with Nuclear Power Corporation.
Thank you so much for that. And Kashyap, I believe you have managed the event from start to finish. I mean, you're finishing now. And you also a part of the attendee of this.
Yes.
Speed networking. Yes. Your experience, have you done something in past like this? Did you find anything unique? Please share your experience.
Okay. We have done many events, a lot of business events, but this is the first time I'm doing something like speed networking. It was very interesting and I was delighted looking at the results of this particular exercise. Never did I think that in a small span of 2 hours we could meet so many decision makers, a room full of talent, all eager to share their expertise, and I think a lot of business opportunities can be found by these kind of meetings. I would thank Bombay Industry Association for allowing me to do this particular event and also to attend this event, whereby I'm sure I will get at least 7 to 8 very, very strong leads which will lead to very long relations. So once again, thank Bombay Industry Association for this event.
Anything you want to share, something which is unique that you found here? Or something which grabbed your attention, or something which you were like, oh, amazing.
I was really surprised that in the afternoon we thought that the number of visitors was going to be only 50, but they just kept on coming, they kept on coming. It exceeded more than 75, and to meet so many business people in such a short time, I will again repeat, it's not easy. You can spend 2-3 months and you might not meet so many decision makers. So it was a wonderful exercise. Thank you, sir.